Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys on how to create these beautiful little flowers using some Happy Crafter Shop items. So this is a embellishment that I made for Happy Crafter Shop, my design team project. It came out so cute. I'm gonna have a tutorial on how to do this, but I've been making these little embellishments. This is what sparked the idea to create this broom. And so this is a Scrap Diva design die. It is the spider bow die. I'll have it listed down below. You guys can use my code Poochie10 on both happycraftershop.com and scrapdivadesigns.com. It'll save you 10% off your purchase. So I've been creating these flowers and I wanted to do a tutorial on how to make these, okay? So you're going to need whatever kind of paper flowers you want. But like I said, I love this. I'm obsessed right now with this Scrap Diva Designs flower. It comes with the Romantic Vintage tag set. And it comes with these flowers here. Those are the ones that I use. So I just went ahead and die cut a bunch of them, you guys. And then I sprayed it with this mica stain Unravel. This is one of the new Tim Holtz colors. I bought this set specifically for this color. I knew that it was going to be gorgeous. It is like a champagne gold, I think you would say. It's really gorgeous, you guys. Like, look at the details. So I just die cut a bunch and then I put them on some paper and splattered them, let it dry. And this is the effect that you get. It's really gorgeous, you guys. Look at that. All right, so let me show you guys how I do these flowers. It's super simple. Within this die set, you will get 3 sizes. And you're going to get like a small, a medium, and a large. So like here's the large. Here's the medium size. And then let me find a little small one. This is the small size. Okay. So to do this, it's super simple. You're also going to need these little balls. I hope that you guys grab these. She might be sold out. I know she said I think she said she'll be restocking. But these are the pink shaker balls, 2.5 millimeter. She has it in black, pink, and orange. Okay, so grab these guys. These are beautiful flower centers. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see. Let's make a medium one since I have them both right here. You're also going to need your hot glue gun. Okay, guys. So let's start with the medium size one. I'll have this one be my base. So I'm going to go ahead and mold my base. Just like that. And I'm going to do the same to both, okay? You guys figure out which one you want on top or bottom, doesn't matter. Let me get my balls ready. We're going to use the black ones on this pink. It's a really nice contrast. All right, I got that bag. So you're going to take your hot glue gun and you're going to do a little bead of hot glue, like so. And you can figure out how big or small you want your center to be. And you're just going to take like a fingerful of these beads and put them right on top, just like that, you guys, okay? And you're going to be careful not to really touch the top. Kind of use your fingers on the side and mold. It gets kind of messy if you touch it too soon. So you actually have a lot of time to mold this how you like it. As the hot glue is drying, look at how pretty, guys. It just makes like a perfect little ball for the center. And then you're just going to glue that to your bottom. Okay. Off center your flower, of course. Should use hot glue so they could be faster. But how cute is that center, you guys? And then what I do is I take this, the one that we have the center with, and I kind of use my nail to kind of fold it just slightly like that on each of the petals, only on the inner one. Okay. Should have used hot glue. We'll do another one and use hot glue. Just with the hot glue, it's so messy with my strings. I don't think that my glue sticks agree with my glue gun. All right. And then once you do that, you're going to just push these. You're going to mold this flower to make like basically like a little bud. So just push them up like so. Only the top layers. And you're going to kind of roll it around a little bit. Just like so. Okay. And then you could decide whether you want these to be a little bit higher. I kind of like them low. Just like that. Super simple, you guys. Look at how gorgeous they come out. Let's do another one. Let's make a tiny one. So again, I'm going to roll my base. Both of them. Let's go ahead and attach these. You can use this with wet glue as well, but I really like how the hot glue works because you can like basically mold it to how you would like it. Okay. So I'm just gluing those together, offsetting the flower. Go in with your bead of glue. You can be the judge of how big or small you want your bead of glue to be. Grab a little fingerful of these beads and drop them down. It's okay if they gather on the side. Just use your finger, your nail, to guide them. Perfect. And I'm trying to like touch the top last, only if I need to. But you see like the glue, you can continue to mold it. It's really cool. Just like so. And it has a lot of dimension. You see that? All right. And so now we're just going to go ahead and kind of fold just slightly these inner petals. And you can get real fancy with like the leaves or foliage that you want to put with these flowers. And you're just gonna push them up to kind of round them. Just use your fingers to guide. I'm just turning and molding the petals just like that. Isn't that pretty? Here, this one's already glued. Let's go ahead and put that bead of hot glue. And if you're going to put a bigger bead of glue, you're going to use more balls, okay? I knew when I received these that I was going to use these as flower centers. I knew they were going to be gorgeous. So see, that's a lot. That's fine. Just pour some back. Look at that. Almost perfect. And just use your finger to mold the middle. Just like so. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? These are so pretty. I'm having so much fun using these on my projects. Flower making is not my favorite thing to do because it's so time consuming. But they are labors of love. Like, they're so gorgeous and it is so worth it to take the time and the work to create these. All right, I'm just molding them together to create a bud. Just like that. So you can decide how you want your bottom petal. You can have them more flat. Like that. You can even add another layer But I really like the look of 2 layers. Here's how it would look if I did 3. Still really pretty. Let's actually put that one together. Okay, so I mixed the large and the medium. Look at how pretty that flower is, you guys. So gorgeous. Fluff up your layers if you like. But that is it. And then you can use these on your embellishments or your projects. Look at how cute. Just pretties up the spider. And this is what they'll look like. So you have all these fun colors to play with. This is how the black looks with the pink. So cute. All right, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure that you use my code Poochie10 on both Happy Crafter Shop and Scrap Diva Designs, guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.